Hi, welcome back to Harvest Hill Cottage. I'm Renee, and today I'm going to show you my fall decor in my cottage style home and show you how I put it all together. I like to save money wherever I can, so one of my best tips is to use what you already have around your home. Here I have a wreath around this cute little rooster, and I used just some fall greenery and added it to the wreath that I already had in place. Because our kitchen is functional, rather than go overboard, I just create vignettes in corners of the kitchen. And I like to use thrifted items as much as possible and home crafted items as well. So much of what you see here is either thrifted or home crafted. The crock was hand painted and the pumpkin on the right was handcrafted, and I'll post links below to tutorials on how I did both of those things. I love the dried florals in this thrifted crock, but I wanted to elevate it to give it more height on my breakfast bar. So I put it up on a glass bowl, and then I just used a vintage table runner to wrap the base of the crock and to conceal the glass bowl. In the dining room, I like to create a space that's warm and inviting and comfortable for family and friends to gather. I like to keep things simple yet elegant. You don't have to spend a fortune to have a lovely, well-curated home. Hit the thrift stores often and you will find treasures for your home at a very reasonable price. Almost everything you see here was thrifted or is secondhand. The basket, the brass chest, the lamp, the books, even the rooster, all thrifted. The little cloth pumpkin was handcrafted, and I'll link the video below on how to do that. I love a soft neutral palette. I think it screams cottagecore and it's very calming. I do invest in good quality silk florals and picks for my decor. I get most of them from Hobby Lobby when they're half price. And I don't mind making that investment because I can use them year after year. And I think good quality florals do make quite an impact in your decor. The brass candlesticks that you see here were thrifted, as well as the print and the picture frame hanging over the mantle. The floral spray that you see here on the mantle, I created out of some florals I got from Hobby Lobby, and I'm going to show you exactly how I do that. There's another mantle in my family room, and I'm going to create another floral spray arrangement for that mantle. This is a floral that I picked up from Hobby Lobby. It's rather large, so I'm going to use my wire cutters, some scissors, and floral tape to recreate this piece. I divide it in half and go ahead and use my wire cutters to clip off the stems of the second half. Then I will arrange those clipped stems, attaching them to the main stem, alternating right and left, and arranging and fashioning it into a spray. Use floral tape to secure the clipped stems to the main stem. I need to create a second spray to lay on the other side of the mantle. So this time I'm going to work right to left. So I'll duplicate the first piece, but I'm going to work in the opposite direction. Now I'll use the sprays to decorate the mantle. The white basket is actually holding a speaker, and so we're going to camouflage that speaker. And I just use the floral sprays, and then I fill in with some floral picks and some other cut florals, and of course a few pumpkins as well. The TV hanging above the mantle is a Samsung frame TV, and it's meant to hang flat against the wall. And there is artwork built into the TV that you can display. It comes with a very small frame, but we chose to custom make our own more ornate frame. And John and I did a tutorial on how we did that, and we will be posting it tomorrow here on our page, and I will post a link below when that is available. We really appreciate you joining us here today and watching our video. We hope that if you like what you see here, you'll consider subscribing and turning on the notifications so that you don't miss any of our future videos. We appreciate you. We're thankful. We hope to see you again here soon, and God bless you.